Okay, this is a completely free workflow that you can use with Gemini, and I will show how you can create the model sketch and use any bracelets or necklaces or any other products and get consistent Gemini results like these. I'll then show how you can use Lustra to select a pre-saved pose, then select a pre-saved model that you create yourself to then achieve further consistency. Let's get into this. Okay, let's head over to Gemini and let's create this. Okay, let's paste the prompt here, which will be attached in the description below, and let's select create image and let's do this. Okay, so this is the model that is generated. We probably had to specify that the left side profile has to be the left side and the right side, but it's good enough for us to use. So let's download this and then let's head over to a new chat. Okay, now in Gemini again, when we start a new chat, and we will generate the image of the bangle that we want to use for just for this video. Okay, happy with this. Let's download it. And now let's head over to a new chat again and let's combine both things that we downloaded, which is the model and the bangle. Okay, let's use this prompt to generate this and the pose block as well. Okay, once the pose is set, let's create the image now. Okay, this is our generated model. This looks amazing. We'll have a look at the bangle in a second. Let's download this. Now let's head over to a new chat again. This is very important to keep consistent and so that Gemini gives us the results that we want. Okay, now we attach the images, the model's source and the bangle source, and then we paste the same prompt again, but we swap the pose. Okay, now with the pose swapped, let's generate this one again. Okay, here is our output. Let's download it. And let's head over to a new chat again. Let's quickly copy this prompt, paste it in here. I've also added the model and the bangle again for reference, and let's change the pose again. Okay, let's generate the third one again. Okay, now let's head over to a new chat again and let's do this again. Okay, I've now pasted the prompt for the seated or both hands together pose, so let's generate this one too. Okay, here is our final output. Let's put them all together now to show the final listing. So just to recap, we've used this model with the side profile and the center profile and this bangle to create the 4 images that I'm going to show you now. Okay, so here they are. So let's start with the first one. The model looks very consistent and the bangle looks perfectly in place and the resolution is perfect. Let's go for the second one. This is a standing look, moving the hair a little bit, perfect pose, perfect bangle symmetry, shines and everything shows fine. Then the third one is a sat position, showing the wrists. This is a very good pose. In order to attract attention, you can crop it however you want, like from here, or you can just put the entire image. And then last but not least, we've got the standing position in the semi-clap position, and the bangle is showing as well exactly the same, which is perfect. And now this is what essentially would make up our entire listing: the main image and the model images. And this would be a full listing with the same model, and you can use this technique to have more consistent models. Now let's head over to Lustra and let's see how a model is generated there and how easy it is to generate all of these images in one go. Okay, let's head over to Lustra now and click on login, and then let's go to the tool section and down here to the listing creator tool, and then we can just drag and drop the bangle that we used previously. And here you can input the width or the diameter to make it more precise, and then click on next, and let's just choose the 2 first ones that we've done, which is this one and this one. and these are just poses just as a reference, and these will be polished more in the future, but these can be used as they are, just for a reference image of what you will get. And then we'll click on next, and we'll choose the model here, and now you can choose a model that is already made, or you can create a new one in the tool section within models, and create one of your liking, and then select it here, and then we'll just click on generate listing images. And this is the output. As we can see, the pose is exactly the same. So this is the image that we used for the left pose, and this is the image that we've used for the right pose. So as you can see, it's exactly the same, and the bracelet is in place as well, and we can download these separately, and we can see that it does not have any watermarks or anything. Let's quickly compare it with the one we just downloaded, which is this one here. And yeah, the pose is exactly the same one, bangle is in the same place, but with our own model, which is amazing. And this shows how accurate this is, and you can generate the images exactly how you want them each time. And finally, this is the listing that we have created using Lustra's listing creator tool, and this can be done consistently across any other model. You can grab any other model and create it, and then use the listing creator tool and then generate these poses. For example, these match exactly the ones that we have created previously, which are these. And if you can see, the comparison is very subtle, and they are very, very similar.